Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've started your tax return in TurboTax Online and realized you made a big mistake, don't worry. You don't need to panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to clear your return and start completely fresh in TurboTax Online. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to reset your return the right way. Let's get started. First, head over to the official TurboTax website and sign in with your username and password. This will take you straight to your TurboTax Online home screen or dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see an option called Tax Tools. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Tools. This will open a new window with different utility options. Now here comes the most important step. Locate and click on the Clear and Start Over button. What this does is erase your current tax return data so you can begin completely fresh. When you select this option, TurboTax will show a confirmation prompt. It's basically asking, are you sure you want to wipe out your return? If you're absolutely ready to start over, go ahead and click yes. And that's it. Your tax return will be cleared out and you'll be taken back to the very beginning where you can start inputting your information from scratch. A couple of quick notes here. This option is only available if you haven't already filed or paid for your return. Once you file, you can't use this reset feature, so make sure you use Clear and Start Over early before submitting anything official. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to clearing your return and starting over in TurboTax Online for 2020. This is super helpful if you've entered incorrect info, chosen the wrong form, or just want to start with a clean slate. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech and finance guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.